I can't remember the last time we had hail quite like this. It's all over in the garden, even like underneath the trees where it's quite thick. Bunch of hail, and it's just outlining the entirety of the flower bed here. And unfortunately, Grandma's plants got quite the brunt of it all. That sucks. There's even hail on the deck. Ooh, cold. Boy, not good. Look at that one. That is not good. Shit. That is very sad. Ah. The chair's full. The chair's full of oh my god, look at all the, oh my gosh. There's so much of, look over here.
Wow.
Yeah. Grandma will be sad. Huh? This one's safe. This is what we just discovered. Holes all over. Oh, shit. It's fine. Fast. It's fast. How do you feel about the rain, gorgeous? Are you trying to take a nap? Hello, my love. Oh, hello, my gorgeous girl. You are my sweetest girl. Oh, that's a good yawn. Okay, well, the rain is done, so you can go back to sleep now, okay? You can go back to sleep. Look at that. That is one hell of a forecast. Where's that at it? Milan. Oof. Well, we've got the brunt of ours. It's definitely all done now. It's kind of hard to see throughout the blinds, but it is done. No more rain. Good news. Grandma's crocheting. And Grandpa's watching the news as per usual. All right, 6:25.